Alright, today I have a Tucson 2013. We are replacing the oil pressure switch. It's a recall. It's the part. So I'm just letting it warm up right now. It's pretty cold. There's snow everywhere. And the switch is actually going to be down under all this, under a plate. We're going to do it from underneath. So this is where a lift is really nice to have. Alright, first I got to take off this whole undercover. And these are 12 millimeters. And little clips. Just clip on here on both sides, front of the wheel. Right, so underneath the front here, if you look up here, I don't know if I'm able to see it in the camera. You see that plate right there? You got to remove that, and the pressure switch is behind it. I don't know if there's a better view. You can kind of see it there. I gotta get that plate off. Alright, so before I do that, I gotta check the oil pan. Part of the recall is the leak. As I can see here, there's oil all over. So on this one, we're gonna have to replace the oil pan also. Got the bolts out of the plate, and there is a wire clip attached. See right here, there, see that little wire thing? Just a little clip. We'll unattach that. There might have been one right here too. No, there wasn't. And this is the pressure switch right here. You can see that right there was in this hole here. We got this off, out of the way, set it aside. You take the wire that's attached to it. I gotta take that off, and then I got my socket here. It's gonna be a 24 to get it out. So that's the switch right there. That's what we gotta take out and then put a new one in. And then that new one also has, you know, the thread stuff already on there. So I got it out. See the hole there? Not the easiest place to get my hands, so here's the old one. Now we're just going to reverse what we did to put a new one in that spot there. So I got the plate back on. Well, I gotta tighten the bolts. You can see the plate here. There's two on the bottom, two on the top, all 12 millimeter. I just gotta tighten them down now, and that'll be the end of that pressure switch.